Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature on Instagram, the ability to edit messages. Remember those typos, silly jokes, or awkward phrasing that left you cringing after hitting send? Well, say goodbye to those days, because now you can clean things up or make them even weirder. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Head over to your app store and check for updates if you haven't already. Next, open up your DMs and navigate to the chat where the message you want to edit resides. Locate the message and hold on. Don't just tap it yet. Instead, you need to long press on the message itself. Boom. A menu pops up with various options. The one we're interested in is Edit. Go ahead and tap that. Voila. The message is now editable. Go ahead and unleash your inner wordsmith. Fix typos, rephrase awkwardly worded sentences, or take the opportunity to add those hilarious emojis you forgot the first time around. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit send again. But beware, the recipient will see a notification that the message has been edited, so there's no sneaking in surprise emoji bombs without them knowing. Remember, you only have 15 minutes to edit a message after sending it, so act fast. And that's how you edit messages on Instagram. Pretty cool, right? Now go forth and conquer those DM slip-ups with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and until next time, happy scrolling.